Hey team, this is Salma from Discover My Business. Let me just be quick here. I was actually going through a car accident lawyer and I found out your ad, which probably does not have any call out extension or anything attractive that would actually save your CTR and pay per click. Let me break it down to you because it's completely free. Here's an example of one of our client who is taking full advantage as you can see. They have two headlines and they have a description as well. A description with call out extensions. Call out extensions can actually direct your leads to a dedicated page they're looking for, increasing your conversion rate from 5 to 10%. Let's say your client is looking for a car accident lawyer. I know it's the same thing as personal injury lawyer, but they are looking for something directly, right? You have everything on your website, I'm sure, but it is for it. Again, you're actually decreasing your CTR and pay per click and increasing your conversion rate. Let's connect and discuss how we can minimize your budget and increase your conversion rate. I have full insights to help you generate better revenue, and let's market ourselves better. Have a good day, and I hope to schedule a meet with you soon.